Did you know most millionaires didn't become wealthy just by working harder? They built systems that keep making money for them even while they sleep. No, this isn't magic. And no, it's not some get rich quick trick. It's simply three powerful secrets that most people overlook. So let's get started. Secret number one, make your money work for you. Most people work for money, but millionaires make their money work for them. Imagine this. Every single month, you invest a small amount of money into assets that can generate dividends or long-term returns. At first, the amount may seem small, but year after year, with consistent investing, that money can begin to grow. Whether you're at work, relaxing at home, or fast asleep, your investments can continue working for you. That's the biggest difference between active income and passive income. Once you put your money to work the right way, time itself can become one of your greatest financial assets. Secret number two, create once, earn again and again. Millionaires love building things that can be created once and sold over and over again. For example, a YouTube video, an ebook, an online course, or even a mobile app. In the beginning, it's hard. It takes time to learn. And yes, you'll probably make mistakes, but once it's created, it can continue generating income month after month, even year after year. Even if you're no longer doing the same work, that asset can still produce income for you. That's why millionaires don't just sell their time. They build assets that keep creating value for years. Secret number three, reinvest your income instead of just spending it. This is where most people make their biggest mistake. They get paid, spend almost everything, and then wait for the next paycheck. But millionaires take a large portion of their extra income and invest it again. When they receive dividends, they reinvest those too. That's how money earns more money. And then that money earns even more. Over time, like this creates incredible wealth. This is the power of compound growth. The small amount of money, that doesn't seem important today, can grow into something extraordinary through consistent reinvesting. That's why as their income grows, they focus on growing their assets first before increasing their lifestyle. Here's the bottom line. Making money while you sleep doesn't mean you'll go to bed tonight and wake up rich tomorrow. It means building assets and creating systems that continue working for you even when you're not. So tonight, I ask yourself one simple question. When you go to sleep, will your money be sleeping too, or will it be working for you?